Good day, sir. I'm James W. Miao, 21 years old from Lumboy, Sherwood, Albuera, Leyte. B93. Question number 1. Senator Bato de la Rosa put forth a bill that would have made plunder punishable by death to penalize corrupt public official. Should the Philippine government permit this to become law? About Senator Bato de la Rosa's bill to make plunder punishable by death, I agree because the corruption is a serious sin against the people and to God. The Bible says in Ecclesiastes 12:14, God will bring every deed into judgment, so those who steal from the country should face strong punishment so that justice will be served. Question number 2. Should same-sex union be made legal into our nation so that LGBT community can have the freedom to be with whoever they choose to love? For a same-sex union, I don't agree because the Bible teaches that marriage is between man and a woman. In Genesis 2:24, it say, "A man shall leave his father and mother and be united to his wife." We still need to respect and love everyone, but we must follow what God say about marriage. That's all for my midterm essay. Thank you and God bless.